Yep. Yo, what up? Just hopping on real quick. I already took a trade, but I'm just gonna hop on and see what we can see if anything, happens, or just watch price action just for a bit. Just want to make sure. But yeah. Yeah, this was that trade I just took a little while ago. I'm trying to find. Yeah, here it goes. I had took a sell from right here, and that's where I got out. Yo, what up, bro? Yeah, gold has been real crazy this last week. It's been real crazy. You can see everything turned bearish real fast. I mean, once it broke these areas, broke this area, it should definitely be a tell signal that we're bearish now. So, so just everything that got tapped was this got tapped, this got tapped, and now we're pretty much right here at this area. So I'm wondering, do we continue down from here, or do we probably bounce and then start making our way back up before coming down? But that's the thing, is like, obviously trying to find the reversal is always going to be hard. But if we could get into it, like how I'm saying is, as if you're able to catch the trade from up here, then you're really good. You're pretty good, and you were right on the money on that one. But imagine how many people did the same thing here, thinking it's going to go down, probably from here thinking it's going to go down. So now this was the correct one. If we could figure out when to get in on the train, like, pretty much we got to accept that it's turning bearish at some point. Even at this point, I thought maybe it was going to bounce up, something like that, but it ended up breaking it and just continuing down. But so, like I said, now I'm just saying is, like, what I'm trying to do now is that, let's just say it does come back up at some point. At some point, we're gonna have to accept that it is bullish now again. So, but that's what I'm saying is, like, obviously we don't want to just accept it's bearish way down here, and then what if it just finally does turn around? But that's what I'm saying is, I'm trying to get better at following the order flow. Just, being able to tell when it does turn bullish and bearish a little bit sooner and stuff like that. Because if you would have been bearish from way up here, you would have just been taking sells all the way down. But for me, I was kind of taking buys at places like right here. Take a buy real quick or something like that. But yeah, but I mean, we are starting to push back down right now. But one thing I've noticed, this is on the 4 hour, is that when we have like this kind of a push right here, there's usually there's liquidity at somewhere here in the middle area probably. So I'm thinking there could be either a bounce here, but if it breaks this level, then I do think it'll just continue more down. But that's what I'm gonna look at right now, see if I can see something. You can see that there is a resistance right here, pretty much all that. But even there, so maybe somewhere right here, there's this guy right here. So it is tapping into this level right here. So I think if it closes below this line right here, then I think more likely it's gonna target these lows right here. But if it starts to respect this area and it starts to bounce up, this is where it could be bouncing at. I mean, we already kind of disrespected this level, so yeah, this was that area where I got into that trade out over here. Yeah, so, but yeah, so obviously my idea was correct. It just was a little bit too soon, but you see how I did give this retest right here. But yeah, that's let's see. Yeah, this was like the perfect area right here where where it was like a retest right here. That was like a good area. If you would have been bearish still and, you know, took in this sell from here. But obviously I'm just wondering how low can it go, because these are all key levels right here. But it did close underneath this line already, so I think then the next level could be somewhere down here. But, or did it flip already? It might have already flipped, to be honest. This could have been the flip right here. But for how, I don't know how high it could go, to be honest, because this whole area was coming up and we did break it though. So I'm trying to see where the next level, where would we target? I mean, there is a whole range right here, which is here and here. So maybe somewhere up here. Oops. Let's see, somewhere maybe around here. So I'm wondering if we push up, this is going to be a level which is also this resistance right here. So if we happen to push up, this could be somewhere where we maybe push into but then get rejected. But this is be the next level I'm looking at, maybe something like that. Because how it's getting kind of respected around this area, it might be, it could be rejecting. This broke the low, so this might need to break these highs or something. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. I just wanted to hop on real quick. This to be the last day of the week to trade live, so I mean, I'll probably do some back testing later on again, but let's see. So yeah. I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button for me. I'd appreciate it. Let's see. Yeah, this thing is crazy right here. 15 is still bearish, still coming down. Oh, this was a celery play right here. The break of this low. Yeah, that'll be that was it right there. Let's see. Got a 2 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. I forget why I even had that line there. Well, I guess let's adjust it now, since I don't even remember. I don't even remember why I put it there. Or maybe it was because of this box right here. Oops. Maybe it was this right here. Yeah, okay. This guy right here. It's on the 1 hour though. Let's see the 1 hour. Same thing on that one. So if we do come down, I think we could be coming down at these levels. Yo, Fluidity, what up, bro? No, I'm not in sales. I was looking for sales, but I kind of got in. Well, I took a sale already earlier. I took this sale right here, but I ended up getting out at 15 pips because I got in right here because I got in on the 1 minute. And this is where I should have waited though, is that when I got into the trade, I got into the trade up here when this broke right here. But what I realized is that there was this area right here of interest, the fair value gap right there. And this is exactly what I've been waiting for, which was this happened right here, and a 3-piece happened exactly right here at this level that I was expecting, which is here. And then this was the one, this is the inside bar, and then this candle broke the high of there, and then it came back down, and my entry I would have rather my entry been here, but I kind of jumped the gun and got in right here on the break of this candle right here. Once this candle broke, boom, it got me in. And I was thinking this move was gonna happen, but I ended up going into a little bit of drawdown, and then that's when, because I kind of was expecting this area to be that needed to be tapped at least, but I kind of didn't wait long enough. I kind of jumped the gun a little too soon, and this was the area right here that it ended up tapping. Once it tapped that area, it formed this 3-piece, and that's where my entry should have been, which is right here. But I ended up getting in down here. So when I went into drawdown a little bit, let me see how much drawdown I was in. The most I was in was only 20 pips, but I had my stops up here around 30, 35 pips. Yeah, around here at the top of that range, just in case. But like I said, when I seen all this start forming, I added a second position. So I added a second position right here, and then I ended up closing off at like 15 pips down here. But that was only because I went into 20 pip drawdown, and then this was another 15 pips. So if I would have been in my good area, like where I want it to be, which is up here, that would have been a 35 pip move already. So I figured where I should have gotten in at, and I was able to get 15 on this move down. Then I was like, all right, I'm just gonna get out because my entry wasn't that good, because I figured if I went break even, look at this, would have got tapped out, or even this time. So I just ended up closing at the 15 but if I would have been in up here, oh, I would have just went break even. I would have held it for as long as I could have. But since I already kind of figured my entry was kind of bad, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just close at this 15 and get on to the next trade, because I realized my entry wasn't the best. So I kind of made that decision that since I knew I didn't have the best of entries, I was just gonna take what I could get and then move on to the next trade. Because if I would have got in at, like I said, an extra 15-20 pips, instead of, it would have been like 30 pip close with zero stress type of thing, because it was zero drawdown, no nothing right there. But then it ended up hitting 40 even where I got in at. So imagine if I would have added another 20-30 pips on a better entry, I would have hit, 50-60 pips type stuff. So that's why I was saying is that's why I manage it that way. But look at what ended up happening. It ended up still going down, and it went down 71 pips from my entry, possibly 90 pips if I would have got the entry I really wanted. But so that's why I was saying is this was the correct move to come back down. But now I'm already out. I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna need to come back up one more time and then go back down. So if anything, I might wait, almost kind of the same way this move happened, how this came back down. This is where I got in at to come down. But that's what I'm saying. I'm wondering if there's gonna be a pullback or something like that. And this thing closed like that, so this might need a target over here, somewhere up here at least. So we might come back up and then go down. Yup, nice. I'm up about 70. Yeah, see, that's why, man, had I not, had I had a better entry, I would have stayed in that trade. It was nice. Did I get rid of it by accident? I forget where I was at. Somewhere here. Oh yeah, that was like, this was the kind of the idea too, is that when this started pushing back up, these were the levels that I was kind of really looking at. So once it got pretty much rejected at those levels, and then it came down, and this is the move right here. That's where this is what I was kind of waiting for, was this kind of a thing. But I think it was on the 1 minute too, so I figured if it was gonna do that, it was gonna at least clear this whole range right here. That would have still been a good sell from there. But now this is what I'm seeing right here, is we might need to come back up to go back down. But yeah, that's good. Target at least yesterday low. Yup, that's a good trade though. Fluidity, good work. Yeah, no, I know, and that's why I think I just closed 15 pips, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna just take it. I'm not gonna be greedy, I had a pretty good week this week too, so I just gotta wait for better setups, gotta wait for this stuff. I gotta remind myself it's not always about trying to flip the account in one day. It takes a month, or it takes a good while, but you gotta be consistent. So that's why I was just trying to take better trades right now. I'm trying to take it a lot slower, not trying to rush it. Because I know I could hit these big 50, 70 pip trades all the time if I just keep working at it. But that's why I say that's why I'm not really I don't really have to rush it, because I know I could catch these 70 pip trades, and hitting 170 pip, 100 pip trade usually catches me up for the week, you know. So I just got to stay patient, wait for our good setups, things like that. But how low do we need to go? The range is right here. We close below it. So if we do need to go up, we might need to come around these areas. I'm wondering. Let's see, that happened here, so that'll be here, I think. Let's see. This doesn't have a top wick yet, so I'm wondering if that could be something. So now I'm wondering if this could be something here. If we start to close respecting these levels, we could possibly push back up. I'm just going off of if this ends up becoming the range right here, but this is looking like if we do break there, then yeah, I think we're going to continue down. This one also doesn't have a top wick though, but I guess the 30, you could say it does have a top wick. 35. Yeah. So let's see, 5 minute doesn't have a top wick. Yeah, what I was thinking is if it closes below this line right here, which is this previous low, I'm thinking it's gonna at least need to break this low. So that's kind of what I was thinking right here, is that this might need to come back up here and then continue down maybe, but that's what I was thinking, is that once this closes below there, we're gonna need to target lows. And let's see, go to the 15. There's a low there, but we already broke it. So if we end up breaking that low, then that means we might need to target this low. Oops. So let's see what this is about. 30, that's there, that's there. Okay, it'll be right there where it's at. Right here. Let's see how yo, Krish, what up, bro, what up? Didn't break this low though. Okay. So this was the low I was definitely looking out for next. It didn't close below there on the 5-minute, and it's flipping. Could it target these highs right here? If it breaks these highs, or does it? Let's see. Let's see. Everything is all bearish. So I think I'm wondering if it could have respected this level right here right now. This one right here. So if it ends up respecting that level, let's see. Pretty is getting respected in there. The only reason why I'm saying that now is because like when you go to the 4-hour, when you see what I've been noticing is that when you have like a straight move up like that, inside of here there's some kind of structure that is gonna give this a support, which is kind of like a bounce pretty much. So what I've been noticing, even right here on the 4-hour, like I said, there's no red candles in this area on this higher time frame. But what I've been noticing is that it's gonna grab some kind of support in between these levels. So when I go down to the 2-hour, yeah. So when I go down to the 2-hour, it's still the same thing. There's no structure in there. So I go down to the 1-hour, still kind of the same thing. There's really no structure in this level. But I go down to the 30-minute, and that's when I finally find this little structure right here. But then that kind of it was explaining why, we did hit down here and we did bounce back up. But we're gonna have to see how this level holds up. If this is what I'm thinking. If it closes below these levels, then the next real level of support is gonna be down here somewhere. So we could still be making our way down. You're just gonna have to see how these candles close. But that's just what I was figuring out. So just saying, on this 4-hour, this is kind of the level where we probably shouldn't be. Well, if you're already in a trade like a sell, then you're good. But what I don't really want to take a sell in these areas, because at any point this could be an area we pull back a little bit before continuing down, or we just continue down from there. But I don't want to get in here and then we do a pullback, and then I could have got in somewhere up here and then, you know, something down like that. But if you're in a good entry, that's why I always say too, depending on what entry you got in should also be maybe how you manage it. You know, like if I would have got in up here, it's easy to go break even and just hold it now. You don't have to worry about your entry really getting tapped. But if you're in somewhere right here, it's like you're better off just securing what you could secure. Let it draw back. If it does pull back, get in a better position and then write it down. Because I don't want to get in here and then it ends up pulling back and then I'm in drawdown for a little bit and then it goes down. I'd rather just wait till get a better position. So just kind of, that's just kind of what I've been like, back testing in a sense to know when I should get in and when I should not. So when I should have gotten in was earlier around these levels like I did, but I should have held it. But since I'm already out, you know, there's no other better position than up here at least. So we're gonna have to wait for a decision to get made, maybe pull up and then down, or just continue down. But if it just continues down, it'll be easier to just hop on right there and then continue down more down here, because it's kind of confirming the move down. But right here, it's like it's still kind of dancing around a little bit. But look at this closer below. That could definitely, and it wicked up like that perfectly. That's right into these levels, right into there. Yeah, I do think we do. I am seeing looking like we might be pushing down still. But look, we did close below this yellow line right here. That was a good sign, because it wouldn't keep breaking these lows if it was gonna hold up and then continue up. That's why I think it's creating these new highs, these new lows. But that's only because there was this level right here. But what it's kind of doing is just breaking through it. It's building a support, breaking it, building a support, breaking it. This is on the 15. But yeah, like I said, I'm not trying to like force nothing, especially being in right here. Like I said, where fluidity's probably at, he's probably in somewhere. He said 7. Where'd you say it? You're in somewhere up here probably, or up here. But yeah, if you got a good entry up here, it's easy, you know what I mean, to hold. That's why I like to get better entries, because it's easier to hold when you know you got a good entry. Look, this is still respecting this on the 15. Even though it went down, it's still respecting on those levels. But that's where I'm kind of seeing though, is that it's doing this, breaking it, creating it, it's gonna break it. So I do see it could just be pulling up for liquidity to continue back down. But that was also why I said why I wouldn't want to get in right here, because of this. It's just kind of picking a direction still. But that's only because of this level, like how I was saying about the whole, like this whole clean range right here. At some point on a smaller time frame, there's going to be some kind of reaction somewhere in this range over here. And that's what I'm saying is when I went down, the first real level on the highest time frame was at a 30-minute. So that's kind of why I knew at some point at this level you'll be making a decision, either to continue down or to come back up. But this is the thing too, is this whole candle right here becomes the range now. Now that this grabbed liquidity and then it's closing back inside of this range of this first candle, this whole candle becomes a range now. So there's always a chance it could come back up to the top of that candle, maybe grab liquidity to continue back down again. Let's see see the 15, still the same thing. And that is up here. So wondering if we could possibly even make it back up to these levels. And that's where I was saying though, is why I wouldn't want to take a sell just yet, because I feel like it still need to pull back. So what it's gonna make people think is, oh, we're going down. People get into these sells and then they ship it back this way just for it to grab liquidity, stop a bunch of people out, and then continue back down. So I'm thinking if we do come up, it would be something like this maybe, and then we start moving our way back down. Here. So if we do come up, could be somewhere up here maybe. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys are still watching, make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button for me. Appreciate it. But yeah, I'm just kind of just watching price action right now. Not really trying to jump into nothing real quick right now. Just chilling, waiting, seeing how it plays out. Getting a few extra hours of chart time. On a Friday, still got, I think we got, let's see, that'll be 3-4 more hours left of chart, so just see how it plays out. And this thing is moving down, moving, and it hit that level and just boom, broke these lows to break these highs. Now we're respecting these lows. Okay, these lows. Man, this thing is chopped. This thing is chopped. It ain't doing nothing. From here, 32 to the top, 30 pips. It's just moving back and forth, 30 pips. Uh-oh. Damn, this thing is moving now, huh? It's 10 pips. Yeah. It's just breaking low, higher prices. So could we make it up here? Yo, Daniel, what up, bro? What up? Just kind of getting in some extra chart time right now, just reading this price action, trying to figure out what's going to happen, things like that. I already kind of took a trade earlier, so, and it's kind of chopped right now. It's kind of, so I'm already kind of just seeing how it goes. Nothing really. Probably won't force no trades right now. But yeah, like I was saying though, was that this level right here was a pretty, like, a level for liquidity. So it's kind of happening. It's just kind of got caught in this range right now. So I was either gonna wait for it to maybe pull up and then come down, or if it comes down and then goes up, trying to see the direction it's gonna pick. We are kind of bearish already, so we're already in like range 1 and range 2 area, so it just needs to break these levels and it'll continue down. Whereas if it breaks up here, there's always a chance it could come back down before going up. Yeah, this is kind of what I'm seeing right here. Just stuck in here. Nothing too crazy going on. Ah, man. But yeah, what's up with you guys, man? How you guys doing today? You guys have a good week? Good day at least? Remember, if you have a bad day, you can have a good week. You have a bad week, but you could have a good month, and so on and so on. So don't let one bad day or one good day change up how you're trading, you know? Stay focused on the prize. Slow and steady, slow and steady. The only thing that changes is the capital. You know, we trade the same way we're trading now is how we're going to be trading when we have a $100,000 account, live type stuff, you know. So it would be the same principles. The only thing difference is the account size and the lot size and stuff like that, you know. So that's really what I'm focusing on a lot right now, is just trying to take really good trades, because like I say, nothing's gonna change. The only thing that'll change is the account. So just gotta keep grinding it out little by little. Well, I was trading this yesterday, Dow Jones. Hey, that was kind of trippy yesterday. Look at, I was taking sales from up here, and I took a sell, but I ended up closing like right here. I closed and then it just kept dumping down, but I got a nice little piece yesterday off the Dow Jones. That's like one of the first times I traded it though. Hey, but everything's the same though. It's like I said, look, this broke these lows right here and boom, shot up after that. Oh, that looked nice right there. I think this is gonna go up now to the celery play. So once it breaks that level, it should signal to get in. That's what I. Oh damn! You wanna see how this plays out? I think if I would have been waiting for something, I would have been waiting for that maybe. Yo, what up, Kilkenny? What up, Ryan? Yeah, just going over some charting, just pretty dead right now on gold. But I see this move right here. This is what I'm thinking right here. Everything, it grabbed liquidity, perfect, boom. And now it closed above this range, closed above, it created a celery play, and the break of that celery right there usually should signal the push up. But I'm not gonna get into nothing. Like I said, I'm just chilling right now. I don't want to take another trade and then ruin my Friday. But if anything, that would have been something right there to look at. Let's see. Break it there. It's only been 7 pips. 10. Oh, there it goes. 12. That would have been nice. Having multiple funded accounts. You know, had like 3-4 funded accounts, hit 12 ticks on across 4 accounts. That ends up being like 40 ticks. So ends up having a good day. It's not bad, not bad. That's the goal, is to pass these fundeds and then just have multiple ones and just hit, you know, quick little 20 pip, 30 pip trades on 5 different fundeds. Collect, just like my boy Stoic does. Damn, I think sounds nice. But imagine, yeah, hitting the T soup on there, hitting it from down here, getting in, boom, riding it all the way up. That would have been crazy. From here to here, that's 148 ticks, 150 ticks. Yeah, across 5 accounts, you'd be going crazy with that one. But yeah, let's get back to gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Oops. There you go. So what I see on gold now, dang, look at now. This thing is just stuck, bouncing back and forth, back and forth. this thing is, it's like it almost wants to break out, but it is really respecting this level. Broke it once, twice, 3 times. And could this be the move now? Damn. Let's see. What I kind of see happening is this did create a respect right here. So if the break of that should have been a tell. This has only been 10 pips though, so this is not even that much. So let's see. All right, let's see if it creates a support somewhere right here, and then the next one that comes down. I'm wondering if that could possibly be the wick back up to continue back up. Something like that. Yeah. Yo, what up, Raj? What up, bro? Yeah. Why on charge for now? You ain't done? Yeah, I'm done. I'm pretty much done, but I just figured it's the last day of the week, so I'll try to just get a little session in. But I wasn't really trying to force a trader. I was just trying to read price action and stuff. Just trying to read it live and things like that. Damn, look at that right there. There it goes. So, but yeah, just my match started. Yep. Damn, could that been it? Enjoy, man. Yeah, for sure, bro. Appreciate it. Uh-oh. What time is it? It's 12. So 9 for us. Damn, that thing. And the last time that we bounced off this area, we made it up to here. Then there's some liquidity around here. So somewhere around here. Trying to oh, you know what? Wonder if this could be the level right here. I think that was the level. Kinda. Yeah. Alright, but now that it's moving up, let's see if we could possibly look for something. I probably won't take it, but I just want to see something like that. Something get rejected in these levels up here. Something like that. And then we could probably read it to come back down. But I just want to see, because this dotted line too, look at right at that dotted line, it got rejected. Boom. That's why I had that level there though, it's because of this support. But let's see what happens at that level. If it breaks it or if it's going to continue up. And this is a range right here, so I'm thinking if we close in here, we might need to tap the top of that range if we do want to go back up too. Look at where we're getting rejected at right there at that level perfectly. So if we happen to close back into the range, then we could come back down, but that's just kind of what I'm like, what I would be looking for. It's like right at that level we got rejected, right? And that is also, I don't think it could be the highest. All right, I died. Damn, that was fast, bro. But I'm wondering if we could be, yeah. Okay, made that. Noobs. Right there is where we got it at. And we did. I'm wondering if this is where we could be getting rejected. This might need to get tapped one more time and then come down. Oh, give me 1 second. Yo. Hope you guys are doing good today. Just chilling today. Long week, but not bad. Get ready for this weekend. Probably do some back testing this weekend also. Just some replay, stuff like that. I like doing that. You know, get some extra reps in. Because I feel like every time I do the replays, I like, the more trades I get in, the more data I'm just kind of collecting within myself too. Just seeing it, you know, seeing it play out, stuff like that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. Damn, this thing is moving right here though. Let's see. But yeah, that's why I like doing the replays and stuff. It just gives you an extra trade, you know. Even like throughout the day, like kind of what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking like mental trades in my head of like where would I want it to have gotten in, why would I have gotten in there and stuff like that. Just like, even if I just take like a practice trade throughout the day, I just take it just so I could see what happens. So later on when I go back, I could, you know, I take, let's say I took 1-2 real trades and then I took 3-4 practice trades. Yo, what up, Joshua? So that way, like I said, in one day I have like 5 examples I could go off of, and I could learn from 5 different scenarios and stuff like that. So that's kind of why I end up just taking a bunch of practice ones throughout the day, and also, yeah, a lot of consolidation right now. But yeah, that's why I take, like I said, multiple trades a day, and then a few multiple practice trades, just so I could add it to like the data I'm kind of collecting. I mean, obviously you don't want to take like a bunch of them on live accounts or whatever, but you know, take your one real trade on live account, and then just still throughout the day taking mock-up trades, just practice trades and stuff like that, just so you could see what would happen. So like in this case right here, what I would be telling myself is, where would I have wanted to get in at? I would have wanted to get in somewhere down here, because everything after that was just a retest to continue up. So I kind of look back right now and I'm like, why would I want to get in here? What happened here that was so special? Stuff like that, you know, and what levels got respected? What happened once we closed above? Things like that. I mean, this was also only 30 pips, but that's just the idea of kind of what I do like earlier in the day, you know, or like days that I take a trade. Chart time analyzing, exactly. Just taking these extra reps, you know, because imagine at the end of the week I took like 30-40 trades, you know, but I might have only taken like 5 real ones, 6-7 real ones or something throughout the week or so. I try to stick to 1 to 2 real trades a day, and then like 3-4 practice ones a day. So at the end of the week, you know, I end up having like 30-40 trades, and it just gives me more and more data a lot faster. That is kind of what I've realized, starting to realize now too, is that the most like learning you do is from taking actual trades, but the trades have to be for a reason. You know, you're taking this trade, oh, because this low, this high, this closure, this whatever it is. That's what I've been noticing though, is that when you take trades for a reason, following a plan, just so you can see if, you know, these plans work out or not, it teaches you that much faster, you know. So that's why I've been taking so many trades, because I feel like every time I take a trade, I'm learning why it was a good entry, why it was a bad entry, why was it a good close, things like that. So yeah, just keep taking, like I said, practice trades. See, look right now, this was the area right here I was interested in getting a rejection from. So if we were to get in there, we would be in somewhere up here. So what I'm thinking now is, like, let's say a possible fair value gap creates right here. Let's wait for something to pull back into it, and then maybe from there we could probably look for a sell or something. Because that's kind of my idea right now, is that it did want to get rejected from there. Because even on a higher time frame, this candle right here, that is like the 50 line of that candle. So the 50% mark of that range is usually where we have a rejection at and stuff like that. And we're also bearish, so it's like there's even more of a chance that we'll hit that and bounce off. Not saying we can't continue up, but that would also be an important level to watch out for. And then look, this is where we did get rejected at. But now that how I'm kind of saying now here, you see how this is just a big green section right here? On a smaller time frame, there's probably some order blocks, which is either here or down here. So these are the two levels you want to watch out for something to bounce back up. So if you happen to be in the trade, this would be one vantage point, this would be another one, because you're going to see what happens at each of these levels. Pretty much those levels right there. Let me make them yellow. So the yellow levels are these levels right here, which is here and here. So you'll see at these levels, you're going to see reaction. And this is kind of what I'm doing now, is like I'm trying to figure out what type of reaction happens. You know, which ones do they respect, which ones do they not. So this is also a level 2 right here. So level 1 and level 2. So if you end up breaking this level, then there's a good chance you make it down to this level. All right, there it goes. The celery play possibly. So if there, yeah, let's see. This doesn't have a top wick though. Let's see. But this level, I mean, technically this never made a new low. So this respected it, this respected, respect. So I'm wondering now. So let's see what happens right here at this fair value gap level. Like the 50 line of there would be right here. Let's see if it gets rejected at this level right here. Okay, that's the first level. We did break that already. So now let's see if we're gonna hit this level and get rejected to come back down to this level down here. That would be kind of what I'm expecting. So let's see. This close respecting that area. And then maybe it might even come up here. Let's see if it comes up to this level. I'll say this level up here. That would be the level. And if it taps there, most likely it's going to come back down. So let's see. That's just 3 more pips away. So yeah, I'm not taking any trade right now. I'm really just trying to be able to watch price action and read it, you know. There is a level here though, which is also right here, which is also this level. So I'm wondering if this level is just gonna get respected like that and just wick into here. And then I think there it is right here. Watch. Let's see. There's 2 levels that I want to watch out for. The top wick of here and then the bottom here. So I'm wondering if this needs a wick up here and then it's going to come down. Or if it just needs to wick. Okay, now it did wick above this candle. Okay, there it goes. Let's see. Okay, now I tap that level. There it goes right there. So that would be, okay, oh, it broke it. Let's see. And you know, stops will only be right here because it shouldn't break this high if it's going to continue down. So that would have been my idea, which is the entry is 36.4 and the stop loss would be 36.9, which is literally only 5 pips. Yeah, so that would be the level you're watching out for, that one. That would have been the entry top wick right there. That would have been my idea, and that would have already been up about 10 pips. So I mean, you could have closed it already, but the idea is why I'm doing this right now is that I want to see how far will this keep going down, or will this be maybe another retest one time and then continue down. But this is why I'm kind of walking through it every single time so I could remember, you know, for next time. But that was a perfect top wick right there. That is kind of what I was expecting right there. And like I said, if kind of my idea is right, the target area will be at least here, and then the next one will probably be this bottom one here. So let's just see how it plays out. Like I said, this line right here would be the entry area. So, you know, if you're break even already at this point, I'm just saying, not saying I took the trade, but just the way I would be thinking about why I'm collecting this data is like, okay, let's say I did get in here. Once it hit 10 pips, I go to break even. Will this entry get hit one more time, or will it get respected so where that entry could have been a right entry? But look at, like I said, so if you happen to go break even, then you would pretty much be almost stopped out right there, depending if you did or not. But like I said, when you're in a good entry, I do believe it shouldn't break your level, and this would be your stop. So I don't think this high is gonna get broken at all. So if this high doesn't get broken, then I think you're pretty valid in holding the trade, because it's really only a 5 pip stop loss from here to there, and that's a good risk to reward, is, you know, risking 5 pips to possibly get like 20-30 pips. Because that's what I've kind of realized too, is that when my entry is correct, I shouldn't need no big stop. And that, okay, that could be maybe the move right there. That would be 10 pips up. But yeah, that's just kind of what I'm analyzing right now. That would have been my idea right there, waiting for that top wick to form and then come down. That was pretty nice though. That was nice. And now I'm saying is, now the next step of all this would be, what would be the targets. Obviously the bottom of here already got broken, so the next top area would be somewhere down here, so the target would be down here, I think. So if that ends up being the target, then like I said, this is for more data though, to really understand how much do we need. Is it going to come back up here, boom, go like that, or does it just come to this box and go back up, or does it break this box and continue down? Because a few things, like I said, I'm just going to let play out and see what happens, is the idea of that. Now these would be the next levels. All right, it hit that, pretty much that top line right there. Pretty much hit there. So that could have been a TP right there. That could have been one TP. That's 15 pips away. The next one is at 20 pips away. So let's see which one would be the best TP to have. Could that been it, or could that been it? I think this would be the more safer bet, but I always do notice a lot of times it touches the bottom of it. So, and I'm just using this as the range area I'm kind of getting. But look at, I guess, and look at where it did hit the top of there. It bounced straight up. So that's what I'm saying, is why it's good to collect the information to see where you should have closed. Maybe the idea should have, okay, close full at that TP right there. Let it pull back, maybe come back into this range right here, probably grab some more liquidity from down here, and then jump back in, boom, come back down. So let's see if this line gets tapped before coming back down, or does it only make it halfways, which is this right here. Halfway of there is exactly that, so it only made it halfways, I guess. Let's see. So my idea was that, okay, the same way I was predicting this to be the top and this would be a top wick would be because of the bottom of there, right? So that's why there. So now, like I said, I did the same thing for this second one, which would be the bottom of here. But this is what I'm kind of seeing now is this line right here is the 50 line of this fair value gap. So instead of it, the 50 line of this one was right here, but you see how it didn't wick, it wicked this order block area. So what I'm trying to do though is understand, why did this one wick the top of that order block and then this one wick the 50 line of the fair value gap? But now I'm kind of understanding it, that this first one was the one that targets that order block, and then the next one, instead of it targeting the order block, because it's already targeted this big order block, that it just needs the 50 line of that fair value gap before pushing back down. So like I said, a lot of people were probably waiting, oh, we're gonna wait till this to get back into a sell, but nope, it doesn't get there. It hits there, then shoots back down. But we'll see. If it ends up coming back up to here and then going down, then what I'm saying is not, but this is why I'm saying it, so that way I could try to figure out, is this going to be the next target, or is it going to be this going to be the next target? Just so I could see, you know, how it's going to play out. Yep, so all right, so that would be okay. It did break that. That will be it right now. Watch. It's definitely getting stuck here and here now, and this is the new range. So if we break below here, I think we could start targeting these lows now. Since we already hit this, I think the next low will be down here. We'll see how this ends up going. Yeah, this is on the 5. Everything is bullish, I mean bearish. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. So like I was saying, is that this was the key level right here that we were looking for then. So how I was saying, okay, we got stopped here. Understand that this pullback needs to go right here to this 50 line of this fair value gap right here, which was this box right here. And that's where this one ended up hitting this top order block area. So it hit the order block first, and then this one hit the fair value gap, not the order block. And then the same thing, the reason why I had this line here is because I figured, okay, this was the top wick of this candle. We closed back here into this range. We're coming back up here. It just needed to break this candle high, and then it was going to continue down. So that was what I was kind of also looking at right there. And like I said, look, now it tapped this top of here. If it taps there, now it needs to touch the bottom of there. So now this could be, but look at, we're just breaking straight through it. So that was the good entry right there. So that's what I'm saying. This is why I'm collecting the data right now, because I want to be able to repeat this over and over. I kind of figured that this move right here wasn't going to be the move all the way up, just because of the way it's closing over here. That we might need to break some lows one more time or something. But on a higher time frame, kind of the same thing. But that's what I was saying, is that on, let's see, on the 1 hour, you have, okay, you don't have nothing in there on this 30 minute. Let's see, the 30 minute is that. Okay, now there's this, all this in here, which is there. And that is where we are getting respected at though right now. So I'm wondering if that could be, let me go back down to this 1 minute. Let me see. So now that we hit this area right here, this could be where we're getting respected at. Let me turn that. Let me get rid of that one. Okay, let's see. That one was there. That was that 50 line area. Okay, so then that was the top of this order block. So these two lines right here are just this yellow lines are just this area right here. And this is exactly where we're getting respected at, pretty much here. So now it's probably okay. Now it did tap that area right there. So let's see what happens. And I think that was the 50 area of that candle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this candle right here. That boom, boom. Oh no, it's a little bit up. Boom, right there. That is the 50 line of that candle. That's exactly where we hit. Coming down. Alright, let's see. Alright. So it does kind of say though that this is they did get respected pretty good right there. Let's see how high it could go. Okay, this was that first high we were talking about. Yeah, so we did hit there. So let me get rid of this line. So we did hit there and there. So that would have been, you know, the target area, which is here, was 20 pips. So it was the bottom of it, not so much the top of it. Oh, let's see. Alright, let's see. There's that. And then we did, though, target this bottom line, which is this area right here. And that was just the low of that first candle, which is that. Okay, that's that. And then we do have these lows over here. So I'm wondering though if, damn, could that be it? Or could this be it? Damn. So what's gonna happen next? Just, yeah, so that first read was pretty good on the first read. Now it's just like kind of figuring out how long to hold and stuff like that. But it's pretty, like I said, it's pretty chopped right now. It's just ranging kind of, but that was a good little practice live right there, just to, you know, get a rep in, read it a certain way, look for certain things, stuff like that. That was pretty good. I liked it, that one. there it goes. Sheesh. That one wasn't too bad. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching though. Make sure you guys hit that like button. So what I'm thinking next could be happening is maybe we could be targeting up here, getting rejected like that. So let's see if we target this higher up now. Because I'm just thinking of the way these lows got broken. It's probably going to respect these highs right here. Let's see. So let's see how high it needs to target. Does it need to target these highs or just maybe this high right here? Or who knows, maybe even up here. But let's see. What high is it going to target? Boom, boom. All right. Let's see. Yeah, it started doing it. Let's see what high it targets. This high, or this high, or this high. You got 3 chances to get it right. They obviously don't want to make it easy, so they're probably not gonna do the first one, or they might, who knows. But let's see if they do the second one and then they're like, nope, you're not right, then they do this one. Can't be that easy, can it, to be able to read it? Let's see if it did get respected. That was these highs. We'll see right now. Okay, close inside that range again. So I think the next range is at least back down here. Somewhere in here. We're gonna see how it reacts at this level now. Let's see. It did wick up there. All right. But yeah, like this is kind of why I'm doing it, so I could see where we targeted. So like I said, I had the two ideas I had was either here, or all three ideas was all three of those. So let's see which ones get respected. Because it could, like I said, now that it tapped this area, is pretty much just the inside. Like there's probably a smaller support somewhere right here that's just smaller, so which is why it's gonna bounce off of there. So inside of this straight green area, there's probably some kind of support in this area, and I just figured it's somewhere in the middle, and that's where exactly it got bounced off. So but it's on such a small, this is the 1 minute, so that any kind of support right there is on like the 30-second or something small, so I don't think it's gonna bounce that high. So it's probably just gonna, let's see, like I said, it's probably gonna still respect these levels and just start continuing down. Because this will be like the support area somewhere in here, and then once these levels start to break, there's not much left besides to start targeting maybe these lows down here. But we'll see how it reacts at this level. Especially if it starts to break these lows right here, then we'll see how it continues down. All right, it broke the lows right there. So let's see if it just continues pushing down to these, at least to these lows maybe. All right, let's see. This previous 5 don't have a bottom wick though, so let's see. But there is this wick here, so let's see if it fills there at least maybe. There could be a salary play right here. Okay, so I wonder if this could be maybe, let me see something. Alright, so I think it's gonna either respect this low and then continue up, or it's gonna close below, and then that's where I think it'll continue down. We'll see how it does. I mean, it did close below, it looks like a little bit. They did make a top wick first. Or is that like a little fake out? Okay, now it flipped. Let's see if it continues down. Close underneath respecting. Let's see. 5 minutes. It's really getting stuck right here at this level though. All right, there it goes. Let's see how low it could go. Right there, we are definitely getting respected at this level though. If you see this red bar right here, a lot of that buying power was all right here. We're definitely respecting it still. The 1 hour created a bottom wick. The first four minutes of the new hour. We did hit that range already. I'm wondering if so how high could we go? All right, let's see. It's definitely reacting at that level though. Let's see. Damn. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching though. Damn, there it goes. This thing is moving. Alright. How high did that go? Not that high. That thing would have been a nice little trade though. Taking it from up there. Yeah. But yeah, what you guys doing? You guys just chilling? Probably gonna be hopping off right now in a bit. I'm gonna play this game of chess and then I'm gonna hop off. Already been an hour and 45 minutes. Damn. Let's just see what this ends up doing. Alright, yeah. Hey Nick, how are you, my man? What's your bias anyways? Will you buy or sell? Oh, I'll go run through it real quick. Well, we were kind of breaking down this sell from up here just a little while ago. around these areas. I was kind of trying to wait for a sell. I didn't end up taking it, but I was just kind of like, because I already took a trade earlier, and I didn't want to lose or break even after I just took a win, especially on a Friday. So I was just kind of just watching price action and stuff like that. But the idea was to take a sell from up here to target maybe these lows down here. But yeah, this ended up playing out. But now I'm thinking now we're pretty much at the bottom of the range again. So if you see like this is the top, and then you can say like this is the bottom, we're already kind of pretty much towards the bottom. So it's getting kind of close to where you could still possibly sell down to these levels, but it's already kind of too late to where, look at how small the range is from there to here. It's you have to be real precise and getting the right sell to just be able to maximize this little space. So what I would suggest is just wait till, you know, we either break this level to come back up, or we do come back up again, and then possibly take a sell from like somewhere up here, something. That way the range is also bigger, you know, from here to down here. But yeah, like I said earlier though, it was definitely a sell from here, because I figured these highs got broken, and now we'll probably come back into the range, and we did end up coming back into the range. But yeah, that's kind of the 10-4 actually. I'm gonna sell from that point as well, and targeting the A. See, yep. See, that's good right there. See, I took a sell earlier. I forget where it was at. But yeah, I took a sell, but I ended up closing around 15 pips. But I should have. That's the thing, is when you have a really good entry like up here or up here, it's easy to go break even, and you're just holding until TP, you know. But if you get into like somewhere down here, it's kind of harder. Even down here, it's harder to hold, because you already know the move's almost done. But yeah, that would have been the best. I should have just held my sell. That would have been a lot better. But it's all good. It's all good. I just wanted to take that dub. I think my original sell was from up here. I think I took this sell right here, and it ended up coming right to the level I wanted. Was it right there? Or was it right here? I forget exactly where it was. We talked about it earlier in the stream though. I forget where it was at. Or you know what? Actually, the sell that I was talking about was up here. From up here. Damn, imagine. 2340 area, and we hit the 32, so that would have been like an 80 pip move right there. Yeah, that was where my original sell was. Damn, I thought it was down there, but no, it was actually up here, I think. Pretty sure. It's with the same principle though as what this sell right here was the same idea from right here. Understanding that these highs, you know, got taken out like that, came back down, and this was like the retest to come down like that. Same thing right here. This was the retest to come back down like that. So it's a little bit of a safer entry, but it's good if you could get in right here, because your stops could be the highs of here, because if it breaks these highs, then the idea is incorrect anyways. But you have small stops to kind of tell you that. Same thing with over here, where you get in right here, your stops are up here. It's not that much, where you could have been wrong, and then you wouldn't have lost that much. That's a solid trade if you held longer, but I know you. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, bro, it's just trying to get better, you know, and that's why too I was kind of taking like this little like walking through this practice trade in a sense, just so I could figure out which plays are working and which ones aren't, and see how far the TP could be. You know, especially if you're in a trade from here. Now I know this could be TP1, and then TP2 could probably be down here at these levels down here. And we'll see how it ends up going. But the reason why too, though, is now I'm kind of realizing too, it's like where I know where I could probably get out of trades at, which is, as let's say I get out right here and then I get back in right here to come back down, because I already understand everything is, any kind of pullback is just for liquidity to continue down, especially when you know you got in at the right area, like up here, and it just keeps pushing. And just know every pullback you could either add a position or close, and then, you know, just pretty much just read price action like that. It's pretty cool though. Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. Oh yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna get back to this chess game, and then after this chess game I'm gonna I'm gonna hop off. Fuck it. Yeah. I'm gonna hop off after this chess game though. Let's see how this ends up playing out though. See how it goes. Alright, let's see. Let's get busy. I'm playing some dude from Indonesia. Damn, watch out, bro. He's gonna try to get me. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching though. Make sure you guys hit that like button for me. But yeah, after this game I'm gonna hop off. I've been trading all week, got a lot of trades in. And this thing's moving down still. There it goes, there it goes. Boom. So how high did it go? After respecting there, need to come down somewhere here. Alright, so that's not getting respected. So now I'm thinking it could be, now let's see about this one. And there's also there. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Let's see. Damn, that thing would have been a nice sell though. But to be honest, it's only moved 30 pips. It's not like it's moved that crazy, but it would have been a long 30 pips to wait. Yeah, let's see. Yo, Lone Trader, what up, bro? I'm almost done. I'm just playing this game, then I'm gonna hop off after. Oh, damn. Did he just get me? Man, he's trying to get me. What up, though? Let's see, let's see. It's Friday and found no trade today, but it's okay. Yep, Lone Trader. Friday's a little bit harder to trade, a little bit more of an indecision type of day. And, you know, it's all good. No trade is better than a loss, so wait for your setup. That way you protect your capital. You don't just give away free pips, you know. You gotta hold on to them trades. Damn. This thing is crazy. If I went over here. Yup. Alright, if I go there, he won't be able to get me. Oh man, wrong move. And this level is getting respected still. Doesn't want to break that level yet. Man, that thing is moving. He still ain't moved yet. I shouldn't have even moved that horse there. Oh, damn, he did that. I want to go right here, check. Check. I didn't even notice that. Damn, let's see. Forget, let's just get it over with. Let's just get it over with. I don't even know what I don't got no plan for this game. Then this thing is moving though. It's back and forth. Barcode. Barcode, barcode, barcode. Let's see. Oh dang, why'd I do that? Damn. I forgot. I got his queen. Got him. Ooh, that was his only move. Oh, you know what I should have did? I should have took it with the castle. I didn't even see that. Nah, he's good. Hmm. Damn, I missed that one. Let's see. Guess move him here. Let's pressure that horsey. Get him on his horse. Oh, yeah, he tried to go right there. Oh wait, I got. Oh yeah, he can't move him because he'll be in check. So that was an easy piece. Oh, he tried to go right there. So if I go, I wonder if I did here. No, I'm gonna have to go here. Or you know what? He's gonna try to go for this guy. Oh, but he can't move that yet because his castle there. So he can't move it there. Let's see. Damn. He got checkmate. Oh damn. I'm gonna get him right here. Watch. Damn, I just don't know how. How am I gonna get him? I'll go right here. Put some pressure on him. It's checkmate for him. Damn. Get the horse with the rook. After you take the pawn, you get the rook next to the king. Get the horse. Oh, this one right here. This one. Well, I have this guy right here. I'm hoping he falls for it. Oh, never mind. Hoping he falls for that. But now I'm gonna put the pressure on him. I'm gonna put the pressure on him with this horse right here. He's gonna have to giddy up out of here. Oh, see that? He tried to... I need to figure this one out, man. This one is... If I go here, I can start attacking his rook next, but I just gonna have to waste a move, and he's gonna probably try to get him. But if I get him up out of here, I could probably get him. Yeah, right here. I think I got an idea right here. Let's go. Who's up? Who's up? Let's go. Let's go. Damn, this thing is still moving down though. Damn. That would have been the move right there. That would have been the move. Right here. Boom. Take that sell. End the Friday with a cool little pips. Damn. Alright, let's see. So now I could come attack this guy. With the horse, I'm going next. Right here. And then from there, I'm gonna go here. Alright, he put it there. I go here. Give me that. And then I could put him in check if I go here. But now I'm getting there. Damn. Alright, he tried to check me. He trying to check me. He trying to check. Okay, well now I'm gonna get one of them at least. Well, I can't get that one because it'll be in check, so I could get this one though. But if I go here, I'm gonna lose that anyways. I don't want to lose that. I'm gonna take one of them right here. Oh, look right here. Give me that. And then if he takes that, I could take that. All right, yeah, let's go. Give me that. Oh, he giving up. Cause I could just do this. Oh yeah, he giving up. Oh, I could put him in checkmate right now. If I, oh damn it, I messed up. Hey, let me get this queen real quick. I'm gonna get a queen. He took the L. Come on, man, I was gonna checkmate him. Got him. Damn, that game took 20 minutes. That thing took forever. Discipline. You see that? Discipline. Alright, man. That's the end of the stream for now. If anything, I might get back on later tonight and do some back testing and stuff. You could have checkmated if you played the horse. Yeah, would have needed it. Yeah. I was about to move this king right here. I mean, this castle. On this move right here, what I should have did right here was move this castle right here and just checkmate him. I could have just boom checkmated him, but I fucked up on that one. I moved the horse instead, and I was about to just go get a queen, but you know, it's all good. I'll take the dub. Good way to end the stream. Alright, man, I'll see you guys later. If anything, I'll probably be on, like I said, maybe get on later for some back testing and stuff like that. So go some more moves back. Yeah. Hey, bro, I survived this. Like, I had him trapped for a bit. He actually had me. Look, he had my queen already. Right here, he had my queen already. And then when I moved this, boom, he just moved there, and I took his queen, and that from then on, he just took that. Like, I just was getting him. And that's when I put him in check right here, because he couldn't move his horse no more. And then that's when I kind of had that horse stuck, and he couldn't get me right here because he would put himself in check. And then finally, when I got in position to put my right there, that's what saved me too with the check, because he couldn't move his castle because of that top one. Little by little, just worked him, got him. Done. Hell yeah. Not so much. I wanted to show you the check. Oh, my bad. But yeah, bro, I appreciate you guys for watching, though. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, check the Discord. It's in the description. We have the Discord in the description, and the IG. If you want to message me, feel free to message me. Alright, man, I'll see you guys later. And I'll probably be on for later on today. So